Your 2017-2019 Hyundai Elantra GT key fob uses a CR2032 battery, a common 3-volt lithium coin cell. These batteries typically last 1 to 2 years. Buying a new battery from Amazon or an auto parts store will cost you about 2 to 5 US or 3-7 CAD. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opening tool. Make sure to have these items ready before you begin for a smooth and efficient battery replacement process. First, locate the small release button or seam on your key fob, usually on the back or side. Carefully pry open the fob casing using your screwdriver or tool, being gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob casing back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons within 10 feet of your car. If it doesn't work immediately, try pressing both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to resync the fob.